You're welcome to this new episode, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to see AirPods battery life. So literally there's no way you can see the AirPod battery life using the AirPod charging case or the AirPod itself. However, I'm going to show you 3 different methods that you can use to see your AirPods battery life. The first method is using your iPhone widget. So just make sure you add the battery widget to your iPhone. To do this, you can just come down here. If the battery widget is here, you should see it. Otherwise, just press and hold any space just like this. And then click on the plus icon at the top left. Then you want to search for the battery widget. Then click on it. Then here you want to choose which one that pleases you. So in this case, I'll go with this widget. Then click on add widget. Once you added that, you see the battery widget up here. Then click on the done button. Now go ahead and connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone. And you can see the moment I opened my AirPod Pro, you can see I have my AirPod Pro battery capacity here. This is the battery life, which is 100%. And the charging case is 41%. Now that is another way you can use to check your iPhone battery life. Another means is also by closing the AirPods Pro and then open it. The moment you open it, then you should see a pop-up from below showing you both the battery life and the charging case life. You can see 100% and 40%. And lastly, to check your AirPods Pro battery life, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, click on your AirPods name and make sure you're connected via Bluetooth. Then click on the name, just like this. Then you should see your AirPods Pro battery life at the top of your AirPods settings. So this is how you can easily check for your AirPods battery life. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.